Meet Tish WordPress Theme AI Customizer. Customize any WordPress theme with GPT-5. Obtain an OpenAI API key. Install and activate the Tish WordPress Theme AI Customizer plugin. Paste your OpenAI API key and click Test Key. You're ready. Open Element Picker, load a page. Click the plus on anything you want to change. The AI Customizer is pre-filled with the element's HTML and a suggested selector. Describe the change in plain English. Then click Proceed button. Open Preview to see it live. Happy with it? Approve. The CSS is stored in WordPress and applied site-wide. Use AI CSS to review or remove blocks, and logs for full request and response details.